She's royal, yeah, so royal.
Hey guys, it's your girl She's Royal 85 and welcome to my channel. I just want to say hi and I'm hoping everybody is doing well, wishing everybody well, sending everybody love, peace, and light during this time. I want y'all to know that I'm thinking about you guys, I care for you guys, and I'm praying for the best for everybody in these times. You guys know that like CDC put out something saying that, you know, if you're gonna go out in public to have your face covered up. Like before it wasn't like mandatory, but when they said mandatory, and I was just like, okay. So, you know, they said masks are limited. So I decided to make my family and friends masks. I went on YouTube and learned how to make masks, and this one is an example of one. I've been making a whole bunch of them, you guys. So I think I've made like 16 masks already. But yes, guys, I've been making these and it's just been so much fun. When the kids go to sleep, I literally pull my baby out. Mind you, I don't have an office. I am in my kitchen. I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful, beautiful machine. I love this machine. My sewing machine is old. Like, this is real metal. My mother-in-law, before she passed, she gave me this beautiful, beautiful sewing machine. This machine is super, super beautiful, and I just wanted to share it. And if any of you guys have an old sewing machine, maybe similar to this machine, I hope this video helps, you know, get you started on your journey of sewing, okay? Not just sewing masks, sewing whatever you want to. But first things first, you know, you gotta learn how to thread it. Not only thread the machine, but you have to learn how to thread your bobbin. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I thread my Necchi sewing machine. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Here is my Necchi or Necchi sewing machine, model 538. I used this machine only once, and that was about 4 years ago. And when I opened up my machine, because this machine comes with a case, this message fell out of it. Guys, I don't know how it got in there. I do remember cutting out phrases and words for a vision board a while back, but for that message to fall out of this machine, it almost was like a sign. So I took heed to it and decided to just tape that message on my machine so I could look at it and stay motivated and inspired to continue doing what I need to do. Let's talk more action. So with that being said, you guys, let's get started. First things first, you're going to put your thread on the spool pin. Then you're going to feed the thread through your first thread guide, which is this little hole. Then you're going to pass the thread through the second thread guide to the right. Now you're going to pull the thread down and go between the tension knob and put the thread between the two discs. And as you go through, you're going to come around and pull up this little spring lever. Bring it with you to the right. You might need to hold the thread, but you're going to bring it to the right and pull it up until it clicks. Now we're going to take the thread to the thread take-up arm. This arm goes up and down when you turn your hand wheel towards you or away from you. This is me pulling more thread so I'm able to continue to thread the machine. Now that I have enough thread, I'm going to make sure my thread is behind the plate, and I'm going down to the next thread guide, which is the spiral little loop. And once it's through there, the little loop, I go through this little rectangle that's closer to the needle. And then last but not least, you're going to thread your needle from front to back. And once your needle is threaded, you just want to make sure your thread goes between the presser foot. And that's it, guys. Here's a quick review on how I thread my Necchi machine. I will definitely be doing another video on how I thread my bobbin, so please guys stay tuned for that next. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this helps you learn how to thread your Necchi machine as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Please thumbs up this video and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.